My name is Gary Bailey. I'm a third-generation farmer. I farm with my brother Mark and my niece Erin. The Palouse is some of the best soils in the nation. Whitman County is the nation's leading wheat-producing county, so there's pride in that. We think our wheat is the best in the world. The customers that we deal with tell us that. We're stewards, and to me, stewardship means keeping it as it is, staying on top of technology, listening to research, and just doing what is responsible for the health of the ground. We want to leave it better for the next generation.
The newest piece of tech on the farm today is the Weed It technology, a special herbicide applicator that's more precise than anything Gary has ever used before.
It's a neat technology because it only sprays the weed itself. It doesn't spray broadcast. It actually reads the chlorophyll in the plant and sprays that plant. So it's quite sophisticated. As the machine is moving along and sees the weeds with the eyes here, it sprays them. So the sensor has 4 eyes, so to speak, and so when it recognizes a weed, the far right sensor would trigger this nozzle to spray that weed. So each sensor does 4 of these nozzles. If we've already sprayed it, it won't spray it again. This probably still wants to recognize the weed, but the computer's telling it, you've already sprayed it. We use our herbicides responsibly. We're not gonna just come out here and just flood the ground with herbicides. We look at herbicides kind of like you inoculating your kids. You want them to be as healthy as you can be, so we do the same with our wheat. We just did a small run. We covered 23.67 acres and used 26 gallons of material. That works out to 1 gallon per acre. Savings was 90%. So in other words, we sprayed only 10% of what we covered. That's where the weeds are. Okay, I just turned on the auto steer. And I'm not doing anything. And this is the GPS line, the little tractor follows that. Every generation has made advancements. There's new stuff coming down the pike that is going to be amazing. There's more advancements coming.